Even FNG, we never
By closing that, even if you close in a practical sense, even if you close at MP21, whatever the complaint it is coming and then release even then the event will not occur.
Yes.
Yeah, whatever.
Not taking anything.
33 kilometers.
This one, even, okay, to some extent, this will prevent the escalation by
Adding more.
Limiting the escalation.
Whatever the consequence will be there.
And
So we can't really evaluate the cell value for the PALL. We don't evaluate. FNG devices, we don't evaluate still.
anything right side of the barrier model, we don't evaluate. That is correct. Even FNG, we don't evaluate. FNG straight away, we have to go 0-2. Even for sensor,
You can recommend it. That it is a mitigating action. Minimum CO2 shall be, you can write in this one. This is a mitigating action. Minimum CO2 shall be designed for this function.
Can take Robbie from the previous one?
Have you-
Minimum CO2 shall be provided as per company requirements.
fantastic. Okay, guys, so this was known to us, so no need to worry.
Okay.
So now what about the PHH?
Can you see the notes? Yes, you can see the notes. You want not see the notes. You need to take to the
On
notes.
the right side?
Right side, you got to have.
Integrity itself and the integrity shall be maintained as per company's own philosophy. Can we indicate it?
Still to you can mention.
Let me check if you want me to.
Hello there. That's a minimum, right?
That's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Pressure.
Not as a minimum, still to you.
Yeah, sorry.
Not as a minimum.
Yeah.
This means you have a close to the time.
You don't want C3. Not as a minimum, yeah.
Yeah, I think normally in market, we get only CO2 only. How to maintain all these things. Okay, guys, so take a deep breath, close your eyes, and tell me about PAHH.
Okay, Mr. Chairman, I have a little modification for the SDV tag number. I think you have written the
Old tag
new
number.
tag number. No,
Old tag number.
Is old tag number sure?
Yeah, 100% sure. This is taken from the hedgehog. I will find out.
For the SDV.
133401 is old.
SD, yeah?
Yes, yeah.
For the PLL is correct, but for the